fast enough.
We should open the window. Be easier.
Still not fast enough.
The helicopter's taking off.
Somebody should look for Mr. Nat. Keep it flush.
Take it up.
How do we?
I guess that helicopter's getting chopped the guy's head off.
They get chopped his head. It's like hits him and he goes flying. Hey, it's like the helicopter hits him and goes flying.
It's like it takes off long.
Here they go.
He's taking the passenger.
Static before they
Takes off without him.
Today's a bad day for
Someone just had the worst school carnival day of their lives.
I wonder who it was.
Someone almost died today.
Who was it? Jimmy, what do you understand? Be quiet. My yell is your talk.
Cool.
Good screeching.
Come on, move. Just sitting there.
Dude, I'm the only girl in here.
Oh, there
Oh
they
wait,
go.
there's a bunch more.
I see the pilot's head. He's moving around.
You can actually hear it when
It
Jimmy's
takes for a
quiet.
helicopter to get off the ground.
Hallie.
What?
You wouldn't be the only girl if Carson was here.
Hi, good one.
I'm funny.
Who's calling?
Miss Harrison here today?
I don't think that's
No.
David who
I
think might be a little nuts. Oh, here they go.
There's the light.
We got one with mother problems here.
That could be better.
And look at Amaya walking over
Vlogging
there.
room. Allie, I'm trying to see.
Okay.
It's up in the air.
Cool.
Your hands lift off.
Hey, dude.
Bye. Bye.
Tear us out. Let's go.
It's gone.